morning and happy Wednesday. This video will help you understand the resources and expectations for your mineral project that is due at the end of this week. So we are researching some minerals found on our world. Right now you are doing a gallery walk. So you will start off by finishing the gallery walk. After you finish the gallery walk, you will choose a mineral to research, and you will complete one slide in our class slide presentation. On that slide, you will place the mineral's name, your name, the elements in your mineral, where it is found on Earth, so how it is mined, how humans use it, what it looks and feels like from your gallery walk notes. You will pick an image to represent your mineral, and then you will explain the image. To do this research, you will go to your resources in your Schoology site. You will click Week 3, and you will click Encyclopedia Britannica for research. To access the class slides, you will click Project Slides. After you create your slide, you are going to create a Flipgrid where you present your slide, and you will write a script. The instructions for writing the script and completing the Flipgrid project will be in the next video. So, again, your goal today is to finish your research and create your slide to prepare for your Flipgrid presentation. So good luck, and I will be here if you need some help. Thanks. Bye-bye.